All right, that's not gonna work. Hi, I'm Jimmy from Burrbenders, and today, today we have hit the jackpot. We are at Chesepiooc Real Ale here in Crofton, Maryland, and
we're about to get hammered.
I
gotta go.
All we're doing is making beer and drinking beer. This is like the greatest thing we've ever done, correct?
This is the greatest thing we've ever done.
Yeah, this is smarter than anything else we've ever done.
I mean, Chad's was awesome.
I love Chad.
Don't get me wrong, but this is just all about alcohol.
This is alcohol. I'm here with John Esposito at Chesepiooc Real Ale.
That's right.
John, how long have you been doing this?
We opened this brewery in February, so 2 months.
2 months. How long have you been brewing beer?
33 years.
33 years. This stuff is amazing. You have got to come by and try this.